In this video, we'll look at the new Media tab in the Quick Tools panel. The Media tab lets you import multiple videos into a single project and switch between them at any time. Here I have a project open with my original English subtitles, along with Spanish, Norwegian, and Italian translations. I can switch between each event group using the tabs at the top of the event group list. But if I want the video to match, I need to import the corresponding media file. To do that, go to the Media tab and click Import, choose a file, and select the version you want to bring in. Notice that each media file I import appears in the media list as a new option. Now, switching videos is as simple as selecting one from the list. You can reorder the list using the up and down arrows, or remove a version by clicking the trash can. The Media Versions tab is perfect for captioners working on projects with deliverables for different regions, where the captions are reused and you need to quickly switch between versions of the media to confirm everything matches.